Oh, a clip lost. What are you going to do? Can't worry about it, right? And they give you extras for that. And I got the fix coming real soon. Now, I had a blast with this at the park. As you can see, it was nighttime. I got here is, well, I got a blower, so clean up the car. And looking over, absolute no damage at all. Now, the thing I don't like is the steering. If you go a little bit, it goes way too much. So I'm going to be fixing that with a FlySky GT5 and a stabilizer that I can adjust the steering to be a lot less. There's oversteer on this. Watch the video, enjoy, have fun, and you can see that I did have a great time with this bad boy. Really, really did. Watch the video. Wow, I'm early, a little too early. Still waiting for this to come up. I got hair on me, which is hard to see. You got it. Oh, wait a second. How's that? I got a flashlight, my smartphone, my scooter, even my cap. I got a flashlight. But I got something else that's got a flashlight on me. So let's go out there and go have some fun. I didn't think a flashlight will run a scooter down that fast. But here I have, do my best to get it lit. There we go. My flashlight. What is it? It's an RC car. This is the DEERC. Let's see if we could do a jump in the dark. Well, that's hard for you to see, right? Let's get that jump going. Don't be afraid. Woohoo! Yeah! The first flip over. All right, I did a run last night just to see a little bit. I came out here just a little too early and I wanted to see what it feel like at nighttime with no lights. I got the GoPro on the head, I got the DJI Action 4 on the neck, and I got a light over there for my helmet. It's on. So we're gonna wait just a little bit longer, maybe 20 more minutes, and get a darn fly. Not a fly fish. It's not a fly fish, you get it? It's an Aussie DEERC H16E that many people talked about. How well this car is, but yet did they talk about other things. So stay tuned for the ride. As I look at my Action 4, kind of got like a little bit of purplish here. How does that sky look to you over there? I gotta hold in my opposite hand to do this. Over here, I see stars, man. Look at those stars. Kind of brighten up. Sorry if I'm not gonna talk. The wind is kicking. I thought I had the adjustment of the throttle control. Nope. I can't see when I do the jumps. There you go, that's a little control. Hard to see at nighttime. The steering is not the best. It's bumpy on the grass, and it's very fast on the grass. And it just needs a little adjustments. The shocks are not adjusted in any way. Whoop, that was a very soft little tumble. I've been doing this on 100%. The only thing I want to do is I want to give a real fly right there. Woohoo! So let's get one for the show. Let's line up right and get it done. I slapped that bad boy. The only way I'm going to do a full run is like this. Come here and go like that. That's the only way. My perception or my, you know, my fun of lining up is like over. Here we go. Oh yeah. Let's try this one right here. Landed on its nose about. Now I can't throttle control it right yet. Let me do one more for you. Up, I turned upside down. Let's run up. Let's go get it. I want to get one good run and finish up my day. Oh yeah, it landed right. Yeah. Now, I had a lot of fun. Took a lot of beating. And you could basically take this and you could throw it and it'll do a great job. I want to do a jump on here. And then I'm calling it a day. I ran it for a long time. Here we go. Full throttle. Oh, not what I wanted. Come back down, reverse. There we go. I don't know if I could get full throttle this way. Here we go. Send that bad boy flying. Let's go pack up. I'm like a vampire, man. I want to run when the sun comes up. Now I came out here to get a nighttime run, not midnight, but just before the sun comes up. See how the Action 4 and the GoPro Hero 10 does what the DEERC H16E will do with, running. And hard to see nighttime when there's no lights around, and I am having fun. Now it's daytime where I should really have the fun, just setting up and going, knowing I get a better shot. I did what I wanted to do and share it to the world to show you, when's the best time to come out and have fun. For me, I gotta come out before the kids come to the skate park. And right here, this is where I had a blast. I had a great time. It took a beating, crash after crash after crash. Way to go. I'm happy with my purchase. Now, I am going to go and come back later. Right now, I got other things to do. Take care of and get done. How'd you enjoy the video? Was it to your liking? Hope you enjoyed it. Had some fun at the park. And very tough to keep this thing up on its four wheels straight. And over time, we'll get it to do some better jumps and more throttle control with the new receiver that's coming. Have a great day and enjoy.